Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel and subscribe the channel. Click on the bell icon to know as and when I bring videos. And I hope your day is going good and the readings are resonating. So let's start. Let's go back to our readings. So okay, when I was trying to pull two cards came, so I'll pull both the cards out. Okay, a day of King of Coins and wow, both are King cards. So both are more like, according to me, a proper day. Now, if you see King of Swords, I feel you are in control of your work. Money wise, though you feel that the money flow is less, but if you see here, I see the tree prominently. So I feel, sorry, if you plan to invest, then you can invest and leave it on some long term plan, and slowly your finances will increase and you will get the profit. This is what I feel when I see. And overall also I see that you are able to handle your finances beautifully, you are able to handle your work beautifully today. Overall I feel you will be in control or in power of the situation when it comes to your work and when it comes to your finances. But still, let's see one more card. Magical magician. So overall, whatever you plan today, whatever you do today, I feel you will weave the magic. So maybe the card, what I said, that if you're planning to invest, and today is the time to invest, but not on a short term goal, maybe on a long term goal, and things will definitely be good and the outcomes which will come will be really nice. Let's see what's coming for personal life, because all these cards are only coming for your work and money, personal life. So spend time with your loved ones, spend time with your pets. If you have pets, if you're a pet lover, then spend time with your pets, spend time with your loved ones. Though it is Six of Coins, I know it is Six of Coins, but I feel it is more like, the person is giving it with happiness so that everyone is enjoying. Also, when I'm seeing this card, I feel that you need to sit back, not worry about money, and just enjoy. Maybe pick something which you like for you also if you need today, because it is more of pentacles and more of coins card. And I also felt you need to invest. Maybe in the morning, do the Kuber mudra and chant some Kuber mantra and start your day. Wear the color green today, because Kubera loves green. So wear the color green today. If you have any green colored crystals, carry it with you, it will bring in blessing. And in the evening, if you can keep some green colored prasad for Kubera and seek his blessings, whatever you're investing today, whatever you're going to do today, will bring in abundant results and will give you results multifold. Have a blessed day. Thank you.